How to log in to Yahoo Small Business Account. So if you want to log into your Yahoo Small Business Account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for Yahoo Small Business Email Login. Once you've searched for that, here you will have login yahoosmallbusiness.com. Click on that. And now from here, you can go for sign up if you don't have an account, or you can go for sign in if you have an account. So to sign in or log into your account, first you need to enter your email address. Enter your email address, and then you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then go for forgot password. Or if you forgot your login email, then go for forgot login email, so that you can reset or recover or get some help while logging into your account. And once you've entered your credentials, you need to click on I'm not a robot. And once you've entered your information, you can click on I'm not a robot. And then if you want to keep your login information saved, then you can click on this box, or you can remove that tick if you don't want to save it. And now you can simply click on login, which is here. And after clicking on login, if your credentials are correct, then it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Yahoo Small Business account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.